Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got some Pak Choi again. And this time I'm going to plant Pak Choi from seeds. And I'm going to use RockWool. A lot of people tell me try starting them out in the RockWool as a seed. So in Aquaponics, I'm going to go ahead and do that today. So I got this. You can see where I got it from. The video's not sponsored. I got this on Amazon. It was only a couple dollars. You got to set up 100. Looks like that, guys. It looks like this. So I got a little cutter here. You can use a knife. And I'm just going to cut this. So let me cut this up. Alright guys, so first rule in the RockWool is I like to cut my RockWool up like this and then bring them over. So I got my Aquaponics water. Just in a little tub, and I just soak it a little bit. I don't soak it too long. You soak it however long you want. I just dip them in the water. I just wait a couple seconds. Just get some. This comes out like this, guys. No biggie for me. Just find something to hold them up on. Okay, I'll use this to brace this. Just put them up like that, guys. And we got some Pak Choi seeds or Chinese cabbage. They come out looking like this. Got them in a little package. I'll just take one seed, just like that. I got them right in the hole. One, two, make sure it's in the hole. And just bring them over to my aquaponics house. So I'm going on a floating raft here, guys. This is my water flow. This is what my floating raft looks like. I'll just put them in the hole here. One, two, and let me just show you hold on in there. You can see the water. I just make sure I push it down. I'm pushing down just a little bit to make sure that the RockWool is down into the water. If not, this thing will dry up. If it dries up, your plants will die in there. So this is just an experiment, guys. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to get back with you guys and I'll make an updated video. Let me plant my last one here. How this Pak Choi did. I think this might help on the slow growth after you plant them. I was doing it before. It took a while. It took like 2 weeks before I noticed them start to grow. But I'm going to try this out and see if they grow good. Alright guys, I'll try to plant Pak Choi. And you can see over here, other Tupperwares here. I've got black cinder. I'm using it as soil media for them. Some guys use clay balls, but these are cheaper. They're like $5 a bag, $6 a bag. It takes about 3 bags to fill this up. Alright guys, like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Not gonna show no video, I apologize. Thank you.